Crafty friend, it's me, Justine. Here today, I'm going to talk about some Pink and Main products. I'm going to talk about a couple different things. First of all, Pink and Main sent me some stuff because I'm going to be doing some guest designing for them. So that's exciting, and I'm so honored. So I have the foil and stamp of the month right here, and then off to the side, I have some other goodies that I just want to kind of mention and maybe tease a little bit. I can't show, new product yet because I'm not responsible for showing that. But I will talk about some things that I find kind of wonderful and fun. So, first of all, I can't wait to start making. I got my little pink box and I about freaked out. It was actually when I was on my way out of the house, so I had to go somewhere. I was going to help go pick up my husband because his car was at the shop, and so like I couldn't leave him hanging, but I was really wanting to dig into this box, so I had to use some self-control and just wait. After all that was over with, I did crack into the box immediately when I got home. So let's just talk about the foil of the month. So Pink and Main has really good toner foils. My favorite that I already have from them is this one, which is the gold circles. It is so beautiful, and look at all of that color and the stunning gold. I just love it. I don't know. Anyway, their foil that comes with the foil of the month is 25 feet. That's a lot of foil, you guys. So this one, it says sample here, so I don't have the name of it, but it is this really beautiful pink and yellow foil, and to me this just looks like summer, and I am all about it. And I love pink, so that works out very well. Okay. And then also with the foil of the month, there's these printed toner sheets. So these are great because it has 8 designs, but I myself am an A2 card holder, card maker, card holder. What in the world? Card maker. So to me, there's 8 patterns, but this is 16 card backgrounds right away. And then they also have these foil cut ups. So you're going to take these, run them through your mink with your glimmer, and you'll get foiled little pieces that are already cut out. That is just perfect. I don't know. I wish that all of the things like this came this way. This is so smart. Crafty Critta did this too, and this just works for me. It's just taking out one extra step of cutting it out. You don't have to buy a die. It's all ready to go, and it looks like, from what I can tell, there's some sentiments and some images in there. I did watch Nancy Stamp's video, the foiling empress herself, and saw her talk about these. So I already kind of know what's in here from her video. They're just really pretty. I will pop those out at the end here, but you can take a look at the patterns. They're really interesting because with the foil, these can be anything you want. You can change the foil color, and it could be anything. Plus, if you save your foil negatives, you can go ahead and turn all of these into even more backgrounds. So actually, I guess I kind of misspoke, because if you're going to do A2 cards, you're going to cut them in half and have 16 of these with these papers, foil them, and then you're going to have 16 negatives, which means that you can make 16 more cards. So you can have 32 backgrounds with this one pack. What a deal. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, I'll set those off to the side. We'll open them up in just a second. Here is the stamp and die. If you just want the stamp, that is an option. And with the stamp and die, it's actually very reasonable. It's only $12 if you just want the stamp. After the month's over, I'm pretty sure this goes up in price once that's all done. So it's a really good value. There's also free shipping for the stamps and the foil, which I find to be awesome. Not a lot has free shipping nowadays unless it's Amazon. So that is just fabulous. Also, if you know me, when I get dies, I like them all cut apart like this. So this to me is like chef's kiss, beautiful. Not only are these foilables cut apart, the dies are too. That saves me an extra step from cutting dies apart, which to me means craft time. More craft time for that. Okay, I'm going to set these aside. We're going to open up the foilables. and see what we got. And then as I do that, I'll talk about the card kit. Now, if you've watched my channel, you know my favorite thing in the world was Spellbinders card kits. I got car problems on my head. Anyway, card kits, and they really brought me kind of into the world of card making. That and some lawn fun and my favorite thing, stamps. But I just really love a good card kit, and Pink and Main's is great. I played with their bookworm one a couple months ago, and I still have made some really fun cards out of that. I've gone back to that paper pad from there and used the stamp set as well. So it's all around fabulous. Wow, these are a lot of sentiment. I love the font. And I think these are doubles. So I'm going to try to stack them together if they are. Those are not. Okay. So again, with these, you can use the negative and get double. What a deal. I love that part about foiling. Just seems like it's such a good value when you do it that way. Anyway, wow, there's just a lot for some really cheerful sentiments. This is great. Okay. Happy anniversary. You are my favorite. That's a new one. Hello, friend. And wow, these butterflies are gorgeous, which I'll get to in a second, but oh my. Doesn't this just make you want to foil? Wow. Okay. Anyway, when you're foiling, by the way, for Pink and Man, you want to do on your mink number 3, and it's foil side up. So you're going to have it. I'll just bust this open. The gray side here, I've heard many people say gray side is like the glue side. So that's the side that touches your paper, and then you're going to rip it off. I have foiling videos on my channel, and I certainly will be making some cards out of all these goodies. So be on the lookout for that. A bolo. I've been putting a lot of bolos on my channel recently. Anyway, there's so many fun things coming up. I just can't help it. Okay. Anyway, I did not get the card kit for this month, but I did get pieces from it. So I got this really fun embossing folder, and this is all brick. So this is a 6x6 as well. This one is called Brick 6x6. Well, that's very self-explanatory. Yes. It's nice when products are like that, because if you're looking for a brick background, you don't want to have to type into a search of a company like not distress, because that's Tim Holtz, but like masculine backgrounds or something, and then find this on some Miracle. I love when companies just say what it is. This is a brick embossing folder, so it's called Bricks 6x6, and it's a 6x6 size. So that could not be more self-explanatory. Anyway, for using these, I know I said masculine before, but these would be really cute with the stamp set and make some kind of fun springy cards. And I could also see myself using some of these foil backgrounds and then using this embossing folder and putting like a panel on top, and maybe even using all 3 together, and maybe adding a sentiment that's a foil sentiment. So, there's lots of things to mix and match here, which I find so fun. And then also from the card kit, I did get these. These are the Pink Daisy Sticky Pearls. And I love an embellishment that is self-adhesive, because it saves me time in my craft room when I'm making cards by putting glue on. Yeah, it's not a long time to do, but any time that you can save time and craft more in the craft room is what I'm all about. So these are super pretty, basically rainbow and gold. And I think the ones that I'm most excited about are these cool tones. These ones way over here. That is perfect. And I love that they're not giant, because I really do struggle with pearl gems that are huge, because I know that I'm either going to send this card in the mail, number one, or sell the card or give it to a friend or a family member to send to someone. And sometimes people get weird about sending big embellishments in the mail. Yes, you could use a bubble mailer, but you know, times are tough, and do you want to spend your money on a bubble mailer or just a cute little embellishment? I don't know. You tell me. Anyway, I can't really show anything else from the release, but I am so excited. I'm just going to leave it at that because you guys, there's so many fun things. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm still going. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Are you kidding me? They sent me 21 other products as well as the clubs. That is crazy. And you guys, there's something in here that I have never tried. So I am stoked to try these. We're going to see how it goes. So if you want to see me make this into cards and to see the new stuff, please go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel and also follow my Instagram. Sometimes I don't put all of my cards online. I put them on Instagram. For example, the Simon Hurley release that came to me a little bit late. I did not have a video for that one with all those tulips, but I loved that collection. And I did make some really pretty cards and just popped them on my Instagram. So be sure that you're following me there too. And if you've grabbed the Pink and Main subscription, let me know. I will have everything linked in the description if you're interested in grabbing any of this for yourself, because I'm an affiliate, so I do get a little bit of a commission on that if you use my link. So I do appreciate that. And then also I will put a link to the Foiling Snobs Club. So if you are a foiling person, a toner foil, and you don't know about the Foiling Snobs Club, I don't know how that's possible, but you got to join the Foiling Snobs Club. It's free. It's a fun place on Facebook, and it's run by some fabulous ladies. Anyway, so I'll just go ahead and leave you there. Thank you to Pink and Main for sending me these goodies, and I can't wait to turn these beauties into fun cards. And I just am getting just all the feels from these two little butterflies. Aren't they so cute? Oh, I just see my husband and I when I look at these. Oh, that's just so sweet. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna let you go there. Thanks for watching. Bye, crafty friend.